Hey y'all, so if you click this video, you want to know how to install your clip-ins. So I'm going to show you how to get your hair from this right here to this right here, nice and full. Today I will be using my Curlsqueen clip-in, so let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so my clip-ins came with this brush. It's really nice. It gets the scalp. This is the bonnet it came with, some clips, and this is the hair, of course. This is how thick the wefts is. I could not even fit all of these in my hair. I actually had an extra one left when I was done because the hair is super thick, and it really matches the texture of my hair. I'll put what I got in the description, but it did come with 2 5 clips, 2 4 clips, 2 3 clips, and then it came with 4 pairs of the 4 clips. So first, to prepare them, I just go through with each extension or clip-in and flat iron it. So that's what I'll be doing here. Don't mind my faces, I'll be on the phone most of the time, so if you see me talking, laughing, giggling, just disregard that. Okay, so after you prepare your clip-ins, what you want to do is take your first section, just a small section at the back of your hair. This was only hard for me because I was doing it myself. So if you're doing it yourself, make sure you have like a mirror to look in while you're looking in the mirror. You'll see me pull it up soon, but yeah, you just need a little section like that, that's the mirror I'm talking about. But you just need a section like that to start off with, and then once you get that, of course, you're going to clip the rest of your hair away. Okay, so once you've prepared that first section, you want to get I use the 3 clip one at the back because that's what fits across the back of my head. But I just take that, put that on top of that section I just put down. It's really simple. You just open the clip, slide it in the part, close it, boom. And that's how my first section looked. Very natural, real straight. And then you just do the same thing again, go across, part it. This process is really like repetitive, but I'll still show you guys like how I do it because I know it's a little complicated sometimes. But yeah, this is just me making the part straight because like I said, it's a little hard when you're doing it by yourself, but as long as you got a mirror like that, you're good. So yeah, then I'll take the other 3 one because it did come with 2. This is me just showing y'all just how you open it and then place it on top of that section just like you did the one before.
Got the kick.
Okay, so once you get that done, you check it, make sure it's straight, then you want to go and take your next section, just go right on top of that. I found that you should go like really close when you're making these parts. Do it really close to the next part. Well, I know for me I have to because my forehead is big but my head is small, so trying to fit all of these in was kind of hard. But if you have a small head like me, when you're parting the next section, make sure it's a like really small area. And yeah, like I said, it is a little hard when you're doing it by yourself just because you can't see the parts. But as long as you got that little mirror, you straight. Because I went in and fixed every part with the mirror with no problems. Like, that was easy. Alright, so once you get that next section, now they don't have to be perfect, but the next section I used the 4 clips, put that across. So I did the 2 3 clips, now I'm doing the 4 clip. And when I say like 4 clip, I mean like that, just how many clips is on the extension, that's all I mean. So every time I put a layer in, I just had to look because it was just looking so natural. I'm like, this look good. That's me. I just had to keep looking at it. But yeah, I'm finna just do the next 2 ones and then I'll be back. Like, just look at that. Just look at how well it blends. Like, that is just crazy. So with the top part, I went in with the 5 clip because when you're going like right across the middle of your head, that's like the thickest part. So that's where I put my little 5 clip at. Okay, and for this part, I added another 4 clip right on top of that one. I actually did not take any hair down because, like I said, my head is little, so I really didn't have space. So I just put that 4 clip right on top of the 5 clip, and then you'll see me later. I'll go back in and cover it up with some leave out. Okay, so now we're moving to the front. I had already pre-did my edges, but I like my middle part bust down. So I bust it down, and then this is me pulling out that leave out that we was talking about. I just take like a little bit of hair like that and put it over those tracks that I just had because I didn't pull nothing over them. I just put 2 of those clip-ins and then moved on to the front. But now I'm just adding some hair on top of those clip-ins so you won't be able to see it. And just look how nicely it blends. I can't get over the blend. I just can't get over the blend. So this part, you just want to take a little section like that, pull it down, and then you'll take those 2 clips that came, those right there, put those right there on top of there. Go like halfway between that part and your middle part, do a part just like that, and then put another 2 clip up in there. And after you get those 2 pieces situated in there, you want to grab the rest of your leave out for that side and just comb it over, blend it in. Look how good. Look how nice it blends. All right, I'm done saying that, but nah, it do look good though. Like, that look good. I was surprised, and it's super flat. It looks good, y'all. So with this side, you're just gonna do the same thing. This is me taking out the leave out like we did on the other side, covering up that back. And then I'm gonna just go in, separate the bottom half, put another 2 clip, separate the top half, put another 2 clip, and then cover it up with the leave out. So I'm gonna just let y'all watch me do that, and then I'll be back.
Gets kick. And now you're done. That simple, that easy, that fast. You got a bust down middle part, girl. It looks so good and natural, so flat. Like, you would think this is my real. I could lie and say this is my real hair. Like, literally, you can't see no traces of clip-ins. It's super flat at the back. It looks real nice, super easy. Literally didn't take me nothing but like 10 minutes at the most. I would definitely recommend these to anybody that is looking to enhance their real hair. Just give it that more natural look instead of like a wig, or anybody who's tired of lace and still want that bust down middle part. Go get you some clip-ins, flat iron your hair, silk press it real straight, and then get you some clip-ins. But like I said, I'll go ahead and leave everything in the description box below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.